Imagine a world where everybody is connected. Imagine a world where somebody in Japan can do a transaction with somebody in the United States without high banking fees. Imagine a world no longer ruled by greedy corporate banks. There's going to come a time when we think of central banks in the same way we think about calling an operator to talk to a friend on the phone. This weird, annoying entity that came between us and the things we actually wanted. You aren't going to drown in fees anymore. You aren't going to borrow money from a bank. You aren't going to fight a half a dozen middlemen. It'll just be you and your money anywhere on earth. And once this happens, cryptocurrency could very well make the US dollar obsolete. Once people understand how easy this is and get used to it, the demand for legacy money controlled by a government and bank is going to plummet like a rock. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Early Morning Crypto Talk. Bitcoin Brandon from Los Angeles, California. Go ahead and type in the chat box where you're listening in from. As a disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor to be giving financial advice. I read the news, give my opinion, share a suggestion, and it is up to you to make an informed, intelligent decision on which direction you want to move into. So far, we have on this Friday morning, Shauna Ross. Good morning from Charlotte, North Carolina. Solomon. Good morning, Christine Gosh Shield, Dan Evans, Faye Harris, Stacy Alugas. Yeah, looking forward for the challenge. A couple of days away. Gina Muhammad, Faye Harris from Temecula. Gina is in Philly. Stacy's in New Orleans. Mike from Belgium. Welcome. Lois from Ontario, Canada. Dagmar from beautiful Lake Arrowhead. It's a beautiful day today. The sky's clear. I think it's going to hit the 70s today in California or Southern California. So beautiful day today. I'll be outside. So it's Friday. You guys excited? Some of you guys are like, Brandon, did you see the markets? How are you excited? I'm excited. The market actually did what I predicted it was going to do. Let's take a look. I have to get these prepped and ready to go. I forgot to hit that. It did mess up, though, some of my plans because I was getting in on a couple of investments. And when the market dropped, it messed up what I did. So I need to go buy more. I was prepared this morning, and that always happens. But let me share screen. It's good evening in Nigeria, Solomon. Okay. Share screen. My computer froze. I hope you guys can still hear me. Nope, still not. Oh, Gina, you can. My screen froze, though. So give me a second to let this thing catch up. It looks like you guys lost me on my other computer. So you should still be able to hear me. So give me a second because my main computer looks like, I don't know if it just did a reboot. You can actually see me. I'm on my backup computer here. All right, until this one pops back up. You gotta see my mic. Until that pops back up, let's do it on this computer for now. So I will share screen. I need to pull up the my CoinGecko. All right, I'm gonna try something new now. I always operate two at the same time. Share screen so we can keep this going. Yeah, you see me, but you see me on the wrong computer. So this is a wrong angle. I got my boom mic right in the way. All right. So anyways, let's do it from here. Wow, this other computer is booting up. All right, so you can see my screen. So the market cap right now is at 1.9 trillion. It is down 10% in 24 hours. Now, the question is, what happened in the last 24 hours? Normally, things like this don't happen on a Friday. It happens on a Monday. And I have not had a chance to really go into the news, see if something happened with the stock market, did Russia invade Ukraine yet or anything? I don't know. But I just know I actually predicted this. I said it yesterday on Crypto Talk and on Wednesday on Crypto Talk. If this thing cannot push beyond $45,000, it's going to go down to the 35,000 to 38,000 range. You guys remember that? Remember I said that. So now it has 38,000. Bitcoin dominance is at 38.2. Ethereum 17.6. So this is across the board. This is across the board. And Ethereum is below $3,000. This is buying territory, hella buying territory. I hope it keeps going down. So while others may not be excited, I am excited because this is getting to the levels where I wanted it to be. And I hope it stays here for a couple months. It probably isn't, but I hope it does. Binance is 425. Cardano is down 13%. I am very glad about this because I was about to buy $5,000 worth of Cardano the other day and I forgot to do it. Now I can do it at this low price. Solana is down 14%. Ripple down 10. Terra Luna is down 11. Polkadot's down 12. Let's see. Avalanche is down 14. I'm just going to have to reboot my other computer. This is ridiculous. All right, I'll reboot that. Shiba Inu is down 12. Polygon is down 13. Wrapped Bitcoin 10. Crypto.com 14. Yeah, my secondary portfolio is going to look like, it's going to look horrible. But if I make a lot of money and then I buy into the market at these prices, that's what the wealthy people do. So saying all that, let's look at my secondary portfolio now. Let's pull that up. What are we looking at? Yeah, that took a major hit. That is down $1,100 in 24 hours, the secondary portfolio. At one point, remember, that was at 13K. Now it's 8,700. Everything is down double-digit red. The biggest one loss is audio, down 16%. Cardano 14. Dogelon Mars 15. ENS 15. Data Fuel 14. So there's no coin in the green there. Here's another example of what I say. When the market moves a certain way, all coins go with it, regardless of how great the project is or how sorry the project is. All coins follow the same. So when you see this number up here, 1.9 trillion, When you see that go to 8 trillion, 10 trillion, all coins are going to rise along with it. That is the whole point. So here we go. Get my StreamYard back up. All right, coming back in. Okay, I'll stop my sharing here. There we go. All right. So main computer back. I don't watch Coin Bureau that much. Oh yeah, that was another one. Russia proposes ban on use of mining and crypto. I did see that news. My marketing, my CMO, Chief Marketing Officer, also sent me news about U.S. Congress hearing cryptocurrency, energy, and Bitcoin mining. Okay. See you, Daniel from Texas. Hanif from Canada. That's a 24-year-old wonder. Okay, share screen. Hopefully it doesn't freeze on me this time. There we go. Moving much faster. I just had to refresh my computer. So has there been any good performers last 24 hours? The stable coins. And why? Because everybody moved their coins into safe haven. They tethered. Now, I did not tether. Remember, I said if Bitcoin goes to 44, 45K and then bounces down, I'm going to tether. It didn't even reach that high. It was still at the 42, 43,000 range and then dropped. So I missed my opportunity to tether. I rode everything down, but that's all right. It's all good. So the stable coins all benefited because everybody moved their money to the stable coins. Look at this. All the stable coins are in green. When you see the stable coins in red, that means people are moving their money back into the market. Worst performers. Nobody was spared. Secret, Cadena, both down 18%. Loopring, Thorchain, Pocket Network, AMP, Gala. Wow, Gala's down at 24 cents. It's down 25% the last 7 days. This is a good buying opportunity for Gala. CRV is down 24%. That's a good buying opportunity. This is when the perfect storm is when the market drops significantly like this, but then you make an extra $50,000 at the same time, and you take that $50,000 of fresh money and you put it into the market when it's at an all-time low like this. That's the ultimate scenario. Harmony is down 28% over the past week. Phantom, Oasis, Sandbox. Oh yeah, the Metaverse wallet with Makara. Let's see. Let's let this pull up. Oh yeah, that's down. That's down 1,400. So my two portfolios here lost about 3,000 in 24 hours. And should I look at my Binance trading account? Binance US. I got to do this all over again. Do that now. What about the DEX tools? The DEX tools, yeah, that took a hit. Okay, but I just bought a bunch of Smart Chain BNB. Oh, there it is. I was waiting for that. Wow, it did happen. I didn't think that was going to happen. Okay. I can make my move. I'm purchasing some land in Metaverse for the very first time. All right, so these DEX tool tokens, Vetter down 11.9%. Saitama 37%. Good grief. Wakanda down 5.5. Toys is down 4. Green is at 0.007. Let's just drop another to 0.005, and I'm putting 1,000 on it. I'll flip that real quick. Okay. Let's see the news. Is the news going to tell us anything? Well, I've got a lot going on my screen. News Daily Hodl. There's a decent chance Bitcoin will outperform other crypto assets, says Benjamin Cohen. I don't care about that one. Here's what will catapult Cardano to a new all-time high. Wait, did you guys not pick up on the news? Little known altcoin project that's up over 70% to year to date. I do want to see that one. When did the market drop like this? There's no new news on Daily Hodl about it. I got to check the other sources. Oh, we're seeing a bounce back within the past hour. Well, let's see. Let's look at the last 24 hours. Okay, we were at 42,000 last night. So late last night, it started to drop. So yeah, right at between what about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock last night? Hit the 38,000 range. 9, 10 o'clock, and then even lower, 37,900 at 5 a.m. this morning. So yeah, that's why the news hasn't picked this up. Crypto market needs final flush before bearish trend can reverse. Okay, yeah, that's what I believe. I want to look at that one. I want to, well 10x Raya, yeah, we covered that. Let me Coin Telegraph. Bitcoin dumps to hit 6 months lows near 38K. Yeah. Okay, we're going to come back to that. Let's look at this. Little known altcoin project that is up over 70% year to date. Said DT Crypto, got to get technical analysts on your team. The charts didn't look great for a while. Yeah, that's what I was saying. If it didn't pop over 45K, I knew it was coming down. Greetings from Germany, Thomas Hinsey. Welcome. And Ardell from Maryland. Welcome, welcome. Oh, you were on the call yesterday? Fantastic, fantastic. Daniel Duss says, how do you get into the metaverse? Well, great question. Go back on my Facebook page. I did a crypto talk 2 or 3 nights. Part 1, part 2, part 3 about metaverse and stuff. In detail, there's how do you get into it right now? You got to find some projects that is dealing with the metaverse. And the first one, we bought an NFT with Toax. I did a late night crypto talk with the founder of Toax the other night. And one of my panelists, I'm buying land in a metaverse project called Euphoria as soon as I'm done with this live. And that was being headed up by one of my panelists, Peter Ohanian. In fact, Peter will be speaking, one of the first panelists, on Monday for the 5-day challenge. So I am buying that as soon as I'm done with this. I just had to move some BNB over to get it. I'm buying a apartment. There was a penthouse for 5 BNB, but the market dropped on me. So I'm going to go ahead and get the apartment. Okay. Little known altcoin project that's up over 70% year-to-date launches. $400 million ecosystem fund. Data privacy-focused crypto project Secret Network is establishing a multi-million-dollar fund to support its growth. In a new announcement, the smart contract-enabled altcoin says that it is setting up an ecosystem fund worth $225 million to help developers and teams build on its network. The primary goal of the ecosystem fund is to ensure that every individual, team, and organization building on Secret has a clear path to self-sustainability and support in bringing their products to market. We want developers to build confidently in our ecosystem for years to come, not just proofs of concept or narrow pilot programs, but truly groundbreaking privacy-first Web3 applications across every vertical that can be adopted and championed by millions. Got to get used to this word here, Web3. Web3, that's the new internet. The Secret Network also says that it is setting up an accelerated pool worth $175 million to offer non-equitable capital, grants, and ecosystem incentives to developers and builders on the network. Recipients building decentralized applications in nascent sectors of the crypto industry will receive funding in the form of SCRT, Secret Network's native token. Funded in SCRT and primarily managed by SCRT Labs, the accelerator pool will be used to support critical growth initiatives across Secret DeFi, NFTs, gaming and metaverse, and other essential applications verticals on Secret Network. The crypto project also says that it has partnered with investment firms such as Alameda Research, founded by FTX CEO and billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, who has joined the ecosystem as crucial stakeholders. Other key investors include DeFi-focused venture Defiance Capital, crypto investment firm CoinFund, and digital assets financial services group Hashkey. SCRT is trading at $8.57 at time of writing, a staggering 70% gain since the beginning of the year. Oh, well, it lost that. Let's take a look. I don't have this coin on my watch list. And it's 94. Yeah, it's down 19% in 24 hours. All-time high was 3 months ago at $10. Right now it's at $7. All-time low was a year ago at 25 cents. Let's do dream mode on this again. So for those of you who might have known about this 1 year ago and you had $1,000 at 25 cents, you would have got 4,000 tokens. 1 year later at today's price, you would have turned $1,000 into 28K in 1 year. It's not bad. All right. So Secret, do I want to? I'll put it down on my watch list. Yeah, the panel today, I'm going to be on my mentors that helped train me when I first came into this industry 24 years ago. Steve and Pasha Carter. They've got a VIP global network I'm going to be on at an hour and a half from now. Okay, watch. SCRT. Watch SCRT. All right. Crypto market needs final flush before bearish trend can reverse. I agree, and I think that's what's taking place right now. Popular crypto analyst Nicholas Merton says that the crypto market is going through long-term consolidation, but the position of top traders indicates that there will be a reversal at the end of a final flush. In a new strategy session, Merton tells his 496,000 YouTube subscribers that the top traders are generally bullish and that the price of crypto assets will eventually go up once fear subsides. According to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, market sentiment went from fear in December to extreme fear this month, which could spell trouble for over-leveraged traders. Even though the bearish sentiment is still present in the market, it's very clear by most of the leading indicators that we need to see the final flush. We need people to be at a position where they're either getting liquidated out of their positions or they're flipping the coin. They're down in their excessively leveraged long position. The trader says that deep-pocketed investors will take advantage of the bear market to ramp up their holdings, while traders who take short positions may face a liquidation of their assets. As everyone's piling into the shorts, as the short positions build up on the spot market, Whales who like to buy real physical Bitcoin are going to buy heavy. They're going to drive the price higher and cause even more pain liquidations for the emotional traders. That's how it works. Greener pastures, rallies, and prices are usually found in fear from emotional traders and investors. In the market, the emotional traders fuel the kind of price action that institutions like to buy. At time of writing, Bitcoin is down 5% on the day at 40,000. Currently trading at 39,673. Where are we at now? We got to be watching this closely. It's moving on the minute. It's almost back to 39,000 right now, up 1.6% in the past hour. Ethereum back up to 2.7%. All right. And then last up, and then some updates. Bitcoin dumps. It dumps to hit 6-month lows near 38K. Bitcoin is leading the way down for all crypto as macro indicators may spell disaster for the market in the short term, according to some analysts. Bitcoin has dumped 7.5% in the past 12 hours, plunging to 6-month lows from 43,000 on Thursday to 38,000 on Friday. At time of writing, Bitcoin was trading at 38,761. The price crash has so far wiped out 50 billion from the overall crypto market. The total crypto market cap has been on a slow decline since early November 2021 when it reached a peak of 3 trillion. Without a single bombshell piece of news, see, that's what I was looking for. What news triggered this? Without a single bombshell piece of news that many could blame the dump on, investors are wondering what caused the price action. Well, I said that. I said the other day, if it can't pass 45K, then it's got to have a new test. It's got to have a new low to fuel up, and the big boys are gonna tether. Some pointed to macro indicators, with tech stocks on NASDAQ entering into correction territory and several interest rate hikes are expected to come in 2022. But Bitcoin moves in mysterious ways. It could just as easily be the news that Bitcoin bull Raoul Pal has apparently sold all his Bitcoin and only has 1 Bitcoin left. I don't agree with that. If he's saying that publicly, that ain't true. But I do believe that he has most of his coins is in Ethereum. The Rex Capital Twitter account noted that the current pattern playing out shares a few similarities with the price behavior of late September 2021. At that time, Bitcoin tumbled several times from about $52,000 down to about $41,300 from September to October. It proceeded to rise up to $69,000 by early November. The Investit Answers Twitter account, which has over 85,000 followers, suggested that bears need Bitcoin under 41,000 to pocket 132 million in gains. I agree with that as well. Bitcoin is not the only crypto to plunge on Friday. You think they all did. Ether, Binance, Solana, Cardano, and Ripple have all experienced severe corrections. Just say the entire market. Among the top 10 coins by market cap, ADA experienced the biggest overall losses as it dropped 10% to $1.21. Friday's buggy launch of Sunday Swap did not appear to help matters. Forbes contributor Billy Bambro suggested in an article on Friday that investors have been rattled by recent announcements from the United States Federal Reserve that it would shrink its balance sheet and raise interest rates. All right, so this is something to watch. It's not unexpected. I actually predicted that this was going to happen, and I'm prepared for it. I just need to make even more money right now to get back in. Okay, all right. So someone asked, what land am I purchasing? Well, this isn't something I even wanted to share publicly. One of my panelists, because I have not vetted this yet, me personally. I do not know this whole project, but I will, you know what? I will play this for you guys. Let me stop sharing and make sure I have the audio on the share side and show you that this is something new. share. They are literally trying to build Ready Player One. So I have not vetted. I got to say this again. I have not vetted this, but I am taking the risk because I think it looks cool. So take a look at this. Hold up. I made a mistake. I got to turn my mic off. All right, you see those graphics? This is far cry from Roblox or Minecraft type graphics. I was in the process of buying real estate right now, right before we went live. I just have to do the final thing, and I ran out of time. But as soon as I get off this, I am purchasing that. But again, as a disclaimer, I have not fully vetted this yet. Euphoria.io. Look at this launch is whitelist. 9 days left, I guess, to their launch. $1 per Euphoria token. So I'm going to be purchasing the property and the tokens, and then I'm just going to sit on it and watch the development. But it's supposed to, from what I've gathered so far, this type of world, from what I heard, I think it's going to go hand in hand with having Oculus type devices. So you put these things on, and you're walking around through your world. So I'll be doing research on that this weekend. I've just been so busy getting ready with the 5-day challenge that I haven't had a chance to really look at projects like this. But what I will do, just like I had the TOEX team on my late night crypto talk the other night, I will have the individuals behind this on a crypto talk as well. But one of the main guys, Peter Ohanian, is a panelist on my 5-day challenge on Monday. So you'll hear him speak on Monday. And in about an hour and a half, I will be on, let me pull it up so you guys can know where it's being streamed. My mentors is interviewing me for their crypto community so that their crypto community can be on the 5-day challenge. And there's the VIP Global Network. So the way to see that interview will be on this group right here, the VIP Global Network. Steve Carter and Pasha. So here. So this is where it's going to be. So you got to be a member of this group. So, and then finally, Monday, ilcachallenge.com. ilcachallenge.com. Register for free. But you definitely want to be a VIP member. But on day one, we're going to be going over, are you familiar with Satoshi Nakamoto? We're going to be talking about him on Monday. But definitely you want to be a VIP member and just come to this site, fill this information out. It's going to redirect you to a page to give you the option if you want to be a VIP member. That's going to get you more. You're going to get backstage access. You'll be able to ask questions. You'll be in the Zoom with me and not just on the Facebook group. And by the way, once you register for free, make sure when you get the welcome email that you actually click the link to go to the Facebook group, the People's Money Challenge. Make sure you click this link, the People's Money Challenge. We have new VIPs. All right, let's see here. Mike, Jeffrey, Keisha, Shauna, Derek. I think I just saw some more new VIPs this morning. So we have some new VIPs here coming in, but this is where it's going to be streamed from. Also, VIPs get lifetime access. So I'm doing the 5-day challenge every month. So you'll be able to be a part of it every month. And better yet, if it was valuable to you, don't you think it's going to be valuable to somebody else? Well, I have a reward program. If you share it with others and they decide to get the VIP pack, then I'm going to give you a percentage of what they purchase. TeachMeCrypto.net. TeachMeCrypto.net. Click on sign up. Click on sign up. Once you sign up, let me sign in. Once you sign up, you'll have a dashboard like this. On the dashboard, here is your link to share for anybody in your community that you want to get in the 5-day challenge for free. If any of those people decide to upgrade to VIP, you're going to earn 10% of that. If they share with others and they upgrade to VIP, you will get 5% of that. Now, if you want them to be also a promoter like you, at the very top, you're going to see a tab here that's sub-affiliates. You give them this link too. They need to sign up on both. They have to register and then sign. This is a separate link to be a promoter, separate website. All right. So that's the link for them to be a promoter. And on the dashboard, this is the link to register for the challenge. And again, VIP is for life. Another thing about VIP is I haven't created it yet, but there's going to be a separate Facebook group just for VIP members. And I'm going to have a Telegram group just for VIP members. And in that group, I will be doing all of my day-to-day crypto content stuff. You know, your crypto talks, the late night crypto talks, maybe special interviews, and it's only going to be for VIP members. So if I come across a project like Euphoria, like this, the only way you're going to know about it is if you're a VIP. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I know that the VIPs have gone through crypto education. So you're qualified to be able to get this information and know what to do with it. You'll know the risks that come into it. You'll know what to do when the market goes up and goes down, and you're not crying that you lost money somewhere, because we will lose money on some of these projects. Nothing is 100%. You will lose somewhere, but we're also going to make far more than we will ever lose. And I can't have people in my community that don't understand the risk versus reward. So I can't do it for free for everybody. You got to be a VIP member. And there's going to be a lot more. In fact, there is another big project I haven't even shared yet that my business partner is working on, that I'll be bringing to the group as well. That I haven't shared it with anybody. Well, Marnita knows. I haven't shared it with anybody else yet. So this is coming soon. This is brand new, and I need to end it now so I can buy my apartment in this Ready Player One universe. Look at that. That's cool. All right, that is it for Crypto Talk for today. If you're not a VIP member, get VIP. Knock it out. What are you waiting for? And I will be back hour and 15 minutes with Stephen Pasha. And this is Friday, so what else is happening? Nothing. This is my Wingstop day and relax day. So tomorrow morning, I'll do early morning crypto talk tomorrow morning. Then we have the WCL presentation at 1 p.m. Eastern, iLearning presentation at 2 p.m. Eastern. And then I will do a late night crypto talk tomorrow night. Late night crypto talk tomorrow night. What is that, Thomas? LioPay is launching their Lio the next days. Send me a private message about that. I'll take a look at it. What time tomorrow crypto talk? I always do my crypto talks at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific. Same time as this every morning. So with that, I'll end with playing my video. Take care. Have a great weekend. For those of you, if I don't talk to you again, see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. From the beginning of time, man has always had a pursuit of the best quality of life possible. That quality of life is not possible without resources. The form of resources we have accumulated has changed over time, from cowrie shells, state-controlled money, precious metals, real estate, and stocks and bonds. Over the past 100 years, the world has been dominated by the US dollar and its reserves. But everything that has a beginning also has an end. A new financial revolution is upon us with the emergence of a digital economy. The way we earn, spend, and accumulate resources is fundamentally changing. A new asset has appeared that the wealthy have overlooked. Bitcoin has become the best performing asset of the past decade by far. With only 21 million ever in existence, there are more millionaires and billionaires in the world today than there are Bitcoin. Just by holding 0.25 Bitcoin today will put you in the top 1% asset holders in the world in the next 5 to 10 years. If you would have invested $100,000 in Bitcoin in 2013, today it will be worth more than $15 million. Bitcoin billionaire Raoul Pal says, Bitcoin's performance is so dominant and so all-encompassing that it is going to suck in every single asset narrative dry and spit it out. Never before in my career have I seen a trade so dominant that holding any other assets makes almost no sense. This is not an industry you can afford to ignore. If you want to remain in business, then you must adapt. Are you offering services in Bitcoin? Are you accepting payments with digital currencies? Have you adopted blockchain technology? Blockbuster Video at one point was the most dominant video service in the world. They had the opportunity to be part of Netflix, but they ignored the changing technology. Where is Blockbuster today? Where will you be tomorrow?